Oh, with the streamers. So you guys, we picked berries. I had the most berries that I've ever had in my life. Look at this whole bag is just full of blueberries. It's amazing. So look around, you guys. You buy blueberries in the grocery store?
Look at
This is where they come from. Excuse my dirty windshield, but look how cute these kids are. There's kids everywhere, and it is so much fun to hear them finding lots of blueberries. We hit the mother lode, they're screaming. Then we hear, where's Grandma? We lost Grandma. Where's Pop-Pop? We lost Pop-Pop. It was hilarious. But yeah, this is a great thing to do with children, grandchildren. Take them to a berry farm. So much fun. Hi, Kate. Hi, Roberta. Hey, Stacy. Glad to see you guys. Look at all the kids. They just opened another field. Early morning is the best time to get here. This place opened at 9, but this is actually their last weekend, and they said that their season starts again in April. So Ray says we will not be back. Ray's tired. But look around, you guys. This is where the blueberries come from. One of the farmers told me that they ship all over the country. So these are the blueberries that you get in the grocery store. They have both organic, and we didn't know until it was too late about the organic ones, but I don't know. Can they be much better than the other ones?
No, we got the organic.
Hi! They bring their babies. I mean, this is so much fun. And the best part is at the end, we found all these berries, but we weren't able to look at the big blueberry saying hello. Hello! But we were not able to fill the whole bucket because we ate some, and sometimes you couldn't find them all at once. It was crazy.
How much you eat?
But I don't know how much I ate. I probably ate about 2 cups of blueberries, I would think, at the most. It's hard. I mean, it's one at a time. You know, you see these people, they're searching for blueberries.
Now you can open it and share.
Yeah, now I can share with everybody now. So we're at the Berry Bunch Blueberry Farm, where you can pick your own. Baby, put your seatbelt on. And look at this. Look at all the blueberries. I've never had so many blueberries in my possession at once ever in my life. So I'm super excited. This is Labelle, Florida. Nobody comes to Labelle unless you live here. This is a serious honky-tonk cowboy town in the middle of Florida. Honky-tonk town. It's, what did you think I said? Monkey town? Honky-tonk town. We're eating blueberries like crazy now, because why not? No pesticides on them. And you can see it's just wild here. It's ranch lands, swamp lands, got some sawgrass. We got some pine trees. We're gonna see alligators. Okay, blueberries.
No pesticides.
What?
No pesticides. No pesticides.
No pesticides.
And no pesticides.
And no pets inside. Yeah, we weren't allowed to bring the muffster with us. But you know, we're doing the best we can out here on the farm. So I'm so excited about my blueberry cache here. And as I was telling people earlier, I haven't eaten for 61 hours. My first thing I ate was blueberries. So if you're gonna break a fast, break them with blues. I'll let you see the beautiful landscape here. It's so different than, you know, you're used to coming to Florida and seeing beaches and cities and strip malls, but this is real Florida. This is the Florida where your food comes from. Blueberry Bunch Farm. Okay, so say goodbye to the Blueberry Bunch Farm.
Look, Trump.
What? Trump flag?
Trump.
Where?
Right in front of the house.
Oh.
Trump.
And this is Trump country. Trump country, gotta love it. So you might be able to see the Caloosahatchee River. Is that the river that's over there? Oh, I don't think it's over here yet. We're not there yet. But if you've been to Florida, you probably have not been to this part of Florida. But this is the real Florida. This is where the food comes from. This is the breadbasket of the East Coast of our country. And it's beautiful. Ranches, farms, alligators, the most amazing birds you'll ever see. So just taking a little tour, because why not? Because we can. Oh, I think we're going to get to see the Caloosahatchee River in a minute.
Well, no, we got to stop at the gas station.
Not yet. Oh, we got to stop at the gas station. We need gas. So the gas situation is better now, I think. Right? Got a bug on me. There's going to be bugs. A lot of bugs in South Florida. That's just part of life. I don't know if you guys can hear well with the window open and the wind rushing through, but just enjoy the view. Taking you on a little trip through Labelle, Florida. Look at the cows, the cattle ranches, alligators, all sorts of birds. And I still have a connection. Amazing. And the gas station. Where the gas is $2.85. And everything looks a-okay after our scare with the gas situation a few days ago, where apparently we now pay off ransomers, which is messed up, but hey, at least we got our gas. All right, so we're gonna get gas now. It's not too interesting. I want to show you again my stash of blueberries because I'm so very proud of it. But I did not pick all those berries. We didn't pick all those berries. Actually, Ray probably picked most of the berries. I ate most of the berries. But the coolest thing was when we got to the end and we went to pay the lady for our blueberries, which were, what was it, $25 for all these berries? $25 for all these berries. And she was like, want me to top off your bucket? I'm like, hell to the yes. So we got a hell lot of blueberries. I think probably like a couple pounds. Kate, I miss walking on the beach too, but don't worry, I still live in Florida and I'll be back on the beach actually next week. So those of you who love Julie Haven,
You want to put gas with the other credit card or what?
which one are you gonna use?
Use this one.
Use the new one that I gave you.
I knew you never
Oh,
used
okay, then use that one, that's fine. Sorry, dealing with business. Anyway, I miss walking the beach too, but I will be back in Fort Lauderdale on the 21st, where we're going to have a reunion with Julie Haven and company and doing some singing at Sue's new condo with her piano. And so stay tuned for that. We'll probably go live on Julie's page so we can hit all the Facebook people again, which will be really fun for me. Since I am banned and kicked off of Facebook, I cannot even go on Facebook. I have no messenger, so if you send me messages, please send me things through my website, jillbooks.com. I can definitely see your messages there. Or you can hit me up on my email there, or jcueni@gmail.com. That's my other email. So, connect with me. Keep in touch, you guys. I love you guys. I miss you all. But we'll all be together again. We're going to find a new way of doing things. That's just the way it is. Life is about change, and you have to get used to change. So, Kate, you live on the Gulf side of Florida. Yeah, we should get together. Hit me up. All right, you guys. I am going to take off now. It's super hot, and we're actually tired from all our berry picking. But I got to tell you one thing. My back feels awesome right now. I don't know if it was a combination of the blueberries, which, by the way, if you didn't know this, eating blueberries is like taking aspirin. Blueberries have an analgesic effect, and they're also great for anti-inflammatory. So if you have a backache or you have pain of any kind, pop some blueberries in your mouth and see if that doesn't help you out. It's helped me out. It's the first thing I've eaten in 61 hours after being fasted and actually feeling fantastic about it. It's my, well, 60 hours, but I've eaten, so I broke my fast. But I'm gonna keep doing it anyway. It's wonderful. Fasting is so healthy and so good for you. And I know it sounds counterintuitive not to eat, but eating a lot all the time, not good for you. So I definitely was a victim of weight gain. All right, so I'm gonna take off for now, and I will see you guys later on the flip side. Ciao for now.